It's a good day at Rusty Wallis Honda Used Cars. John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. We're having a truck spring blowout. So I'm going to go down the line and introduce some of these new trucks that we have. And we'll give you information. We have a 2011 F-150 Lariat. It's got 66,745 miles. 28,995 is the window sticker price. We have it at a blowout price 24,495. Okay, it's got all the options you're looking for. Let's go to the next. I've got a 2015 Ford Expedition EL King Ranch with 58,857 miles for 37,995 sticker price. We have it at the blowout price of 33,123. Rusty Wallis Honda Used Cars. Next, 2016 Ram 1500 SLT. Sticker price at 25,995. Blowout price 21,770. 35,928 are the miles. Next, 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. 29,612 are the miles. 39,995 window sticker price. Blowout price at 35,657. Next, a 2014 Ram 1500 Lone Star Edition. 5.7 Hemi engine. 64,005 are the miles. Window sticker price 29,995. Blowout priced at 25,754. Wow. Here we have a 2013 F-150 XLT. It's got your alloy wheels, double cab. 77,428 are the miles. Sticker price is not showing 23,995. We have it at pure priced, blowout price 19,789. We have a 17 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. 11,257 are the miles. A real beauty. Sticker priced at 40,995. We have it at blowout price 36,999. It's got all the options you're looking for. Loaded. Just a beautiful vehicle. All-wheel drive, towing package, rear sensing, rear backup sensors. It's got a sunroof. I mean, if you know anything about Hondas, they retain their price. Just a beautiful vehicle. You'd be the proud owner of this vehicle. Lastly, I've got a 2013 Honda Ridgeline RTS. Sticker priced at 26,995. We have it at blowout priced 22,678. 54,632 are the miles. You got your alloy wheels. Another beautiful piece of machinery. Give me a call, 214-723-4366. John Hernandez, Rusty Wallis Honda. Home of the best deal in town. 12277 Shiloh Road, Dallas, Texas, 75228. I've also got a couple other trucks I don't have ready yet, but give me a call. I do a search for you. We're family owned. We want you part of our family. Give us an opportunity to earn your business, okay? Again, Rusty Wallis Honda, 12277 Shiloh Road, right here off of 635 and Norwest Highway. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.